Hi there, crafty peeps. Enis here from Papercrafting with Enis, and I'm on today with a Merry Mail share and to talk a little bit about these gift cards I have here. So I know this Merry Mail is a little bit late, and I did receive it a day or two after Christmas, but that wasn't the issue. The issue was I put it aside because I had been sick, and then we had our Christmas family get-together late because of my illness, and then New Year's came, and yeah, I forgot about it. So I really, really want to apologize, and that apology goes out to Diana from Diana Loves Colors, because that's who sent me this wonderful little Merry Mail card. So I'm sorry, Diana. I put it aside and I just ran across it today and thought, you know what, it's not fair for me not to share this, so I am on today to do that. So anyway, let's just take a peek at it. So Diana did include on her address label this beautiful cluster of poinsettias and this really, really beautiful fall fairy sticker. So cute. And on the back, she had closed the envelope with this cute little present here. And then on the inside, we have her beautiful little card. Look at how cute this is. Diana, thank you so much. I love it. I love the papers. I love this little animal sticker and the layering you have here. It says, "Have yourself a merry little Christmas." So cute. The little foam sticker there, adorable. So thank you, Diana, for that, for thinking of me and to make this for me. And there is something tucked inside, so we'll look at that in just a second. But inside, oh, this is cute. She stamped a little bunny there, and it says, "'Tis the season," and she says, "Wishing you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. XOXO Diana," and she is Diana Loves Colors. Adorable card. Thank you so much, Diana. And then she tucked inside some little goodies. So she has this little card here. It says, "Thank you," and she wrote over on that side. And she has a little note on here where she is thanking me for the submission of my challenge entry to her Christmas embellishment challenge she had. So you're welcome, Diana. I hope you can use those embellishments I sent you. I had a lot of fun making them, and I appreciate your cute little thank you card. And then she also included some adorable stickers. So we have some little Nomi stickers and Christmas trees, and then the little red truck there with the Christmas tree in there. And she gifted me some gift tags, which I can use as tags or ephemera or just write notes on the back. So this is cute. Make a wish, be merry and bright, and Merry Christmas. And then she included these absolutely adorable Twinchies that she made. Oh, Diana, these are so cute. I love the glitter on them, and your layering up of the little animal over your little reindeer here and the truck and the Gingy. So cute. So thank you so much, Diana, for that. I love it all, and I appreciate you thinking about me and sending this along. And believe me, I don't mind that it was late, and once again, I do apologize for not acknowledging your sweet little Merry Mail here. So then anyway, you're probably wondering why I have these two McDonald's gift cards here. These cards actually were given to me in Merry Mail from Sharon at From Cheap to Chic. And while I was opening the package and I ran across these in the package, I said, "Oh, look, she sent me gift cards for my little grands." And I just want to mention that Kiki just jumped up here, so he's probably going to pop into the video soon. And so I thought that these were for my two grandchildren. But when I said that in my video, Sharon messaged me back and she says, oh no, that's for you, for me to enjoy a little snack or breakfast or something at McDonald's." So I just wanted to correct myself and acknowledge Sharon for such thoughtful gifts that she sent to me, as well as the whole package of goodies she gave to me, which was absolutely beautiful. I loved it. And I will definitely be using these to get some goodies at McDonald's. So thank you both, Diana, for this beautiful Merry Mail, and to Sharon for letting me know. See, I told you Kiki would be here. Go on, Kiki. Shh, go on. And I hope everybody had a Merry Christmas and is having a Happy New Year. I hope you're all doing well. And Kiki just can't stop. He's been really, really clingy today. I don't know why. But anyway, thank you all for stopping by. Thank you for the gifts, ladies. And I just want to encourage everybody to hop over to Diana's channel, which is Diana Loves Colors, and Sharon's channel From Cheap to Chic. Thank you all for stopping by, and I will catch you all on my next crafty video. See you later, crafty peeps. Bye.